Hi dear YouTubers, I'm back with another quick video for you. You were asking me questions about these roof racks. See, I have roof racks on this vehicle. And some of the questions were like, how loud are the roof racks? If you're driving, is it really annoying? Or should I install them or not? And I'm gonna show you how bad or how good are these roof racks. So right now, I'm gonna be driving through my neighborhood. And it's about 30-40 miles an hour. Let's see I'm at 20 miles an hour. You're fine. You can't hear any wind or anything. Still good. Now I can start hearing it. It's like you hear that? Now, that was only about 30 miles an hour. Once I get to 40, 50, you're gonna hear the sound. I'm at 40 miles an hour. You could hear the wind howling. 45. Definitely you can hear it when you have a sunroof open. Now it's imagine if you have a kayak on the top. It's even worse. Alright, I'm getting on the main road. Hear that? You hear that wind like woo, 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 woo. But anyway, so if you put a kayak on the top also, the sound is going to be even louder. And it is kind of annoying, but let's close the sunroof. Now let's listen. You can't hear it anymore. Doesn't bother me anymore. But when that sunroof is open, oh boy, that wind really howls. It's very annoying. But it was a closed sunroof, you're fine. So if you need roof racks, install your roof racks. You're gonna need it, enjoy it. The sound is bearable. But if you have that sunroof open, yeah, you're not gonna hear anything in the car. You're gonna be talking to somebody, you're not gonna hear anything. And I'm keeping my roof racks on throughout the winter, and I decided just to keep them on, you know. And yeah, it's not that bad once the sunroof is closed. And when you're on the highway, especially if you have like a kayak or anything, you will notice the sound. Let's just say that you will notice the sound. Depends how annoyed you get, that's another thing. But it doesn't really bother me that much. So I download this app, sound app. You can record the sound, and I will do this quick test right now. So let's go through it. Okay, again, one more time. Sunroof is open, like you can hear this, 40 miles an hour. And now let's close it. Much quieter.